Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger pop-up. If your Facebook Messenger pop-up is not working and you'd really like to solve this issue, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. First, make sure you've downloaded the latest version of Facebook Messenger on your device. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Messenger. In the search box, check if there is any update available for your Facebook Messenger application. Since I already have the latest version downloaded on my device, I don't have the update button available on this page. But if you do, then you might be able to see an update button popping out. Simply tap on the update button and download the latest version. For your Facebook Messenger application, once it is downloaded, go and tab open your Facebook Messenger application from your Facebook Messenger home screen. Go and tap on your profile picture at the upper left and click on Account Settings under the account. And from your profile, scroll all the way down until you find Chat Heads option. Enable the button right next to it, and now you'll be able to receive your pop-up for your Facebook Messenger quickly and easily. If that still does not fix your issue, you can simply go and restart your device by tapping on the Restart button. Go back to Facebook Messenger after you're done and see if that solves. Also, you can go to your phone settings and tap it on under Settings, select Apps. Search for Messenger from the list of the applications displayed on the screen. Once you find it, tap it on and now scroll all the way down and tap on Notifications. Enable the button right next to Show Notifications and make sure all of the notifications are turned on. Make sure that your Chat Heads active option is turned on as well. And now go to see if your problem is solved. Those were some of the fixes you can try out whenever you're not being able to see the Facebook Messenger pop-up on your display. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.